Greetings to all faculty members of my college. Here I am going to give project presentation. Our project ID is 2016 CSE PID 49. Project presentation on the title Facial Identification and Recognition that we have applied in attendance based system under the guidance of Sanjeev Kumar sir. This video is initially presented by me, Anjali Rai, then it will be covered by Ayushi Chauhan. So first I will introduce you to my group members. My group members are myself, Anjali Rai, second group member is Ayushi Chauhan, and third group member is Deepak Chaudhary. So our system in I will talk about introduction. Our system involves facial identification and recognition. We have used OpenCV library because it has so many classifiers that we can use. Since OpenCV is going to make our programming so easy, that's why we have involved OpenCV. And yeah, facial detection and recognition is not only present technology, but its application is going to enhance further in future. So the difference between face detection and identification is face detection is to identify a face from an image. Means in face detection we just detect a face from a whole big image and locate the face. As we have seen when people tags us, or we tag people in any Facebook post or in any social post. Face recognition is making the decision whose face is it. Now we will talk further about OpenCV. Face detection using Python and OpenCV with webcam. OpenCV is a library which is used to carry out image processing using programming languages like Python. This project utilizes OpenCV library to make a real-time face detection using your webcam as a primary camera. Means OpenCV will involve webcam as a primary camera and carry out image processing. Facial recognition. Facial recognition means that it going to compare selected facial features on the basis of which it will decide whose face it is from the given image with the faces within a database. Means whatever images we have, it will identify faces within images. That is called facial recognition. And the methodology we have incorporated is uh, first use OpenCV, then working for webcam and capture a frame, use an external window, build your data set, detect, cut, normalize, resize, save, and then code to collect dataset. This is the flowchart which is shown, the simplest flowchart that we have shown. And now Ayushi will further continue the presentation to tell us more about execution.
Here we are having the execution of our code. In our code, we are using OpenCV, the Python library. First, we will import all the libraries in our program. Then, we will open the webcam and capture the image. The captured image will be stored within a frame, and then we will display that image. We can also make use of external window. Here we are performing read and write operation from a certain location of our computer. This piece of code will be used for capturing the video. Now we will make use of face detection using hash cascade. Here it will perform the recognition part of the code. Now we will create our data set. In that we need to perform few operations, that is detecting the face, cut the face, normalize the face by increasing pixel intensity, resizing that image, making pipelines. Now in this code, we will recognize that person by asking that person name and storing in certain location. If that person name exists, then it will give a message such as this name already exists, and in terms of output it will give a zoom pic. Now we will collect the data set and we will perform test and train on that data. We are also using the skeleton decomposition, PCA and standard scale. We have also used sklearn.svm, which is import as SVC, skeleton model. We are also using the grid search. Now in the last part, the final outcome will be there with the played video and a recognized person. This is the outcome of our program. Thank you.
Now I will further proceed to tell about our research or publication. So, our research paper has published in International Journal of Computer Science and Engineering with the name of and the research paper name. Our research paper name is Attendance System based on face recognition, and here name is shown: Anjali Rai, Ayushi Chauhan, Deepak Chaudhary, and we have shared few certificates also: Ayushi Chauhan, Deepak Chaudhary, Anjali Rai. And now references. References are same as in the research paper. Thank you.